you were with the left hand was here. You had two positions for the first part, right? For this part, we have a few other positions. We're going to start with this third finger on C. And if you remember, your right hand was over here, third finger on C. So your hands will match briefly. So let's just play it as a full chord right now. It's your first position. Your second position, you're going to take your shape that you were doing before over the octave when you were on A, but we're going to move it to G. So you'll have this octave over G with the second finger on D. That's your second position. All right, first position, second position. Now I'm going to take the shape with this idea of the octave on the outside and my second finger in the middle, and I'm going to move it up so that now I'm on a C octave with the G in the middle. Let's go back. First position, middle finger on C. Second position, a G octave with a D in the middle, sliding up to my C position. From here, I want to be 5 over 5, pinky's on E. Third finger's going to hop up to the G sharp and play a chord there. Going back to the beginning, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. My fifth position, I'm going to keep my pinky where it is on E, but I want to slide my thumb up to the C and drop my second finger onto the A. And then I'll go back to the position here on E. Let's do that again. First position, second, third, fourth, fifth position, and then back to the fourth position. Now, the order in which I'll play these positions is pretty straightforward. I'm going to start with my first one, moving on to the second, third, fourth, my fifth position, I'll play and then I'll repeat it. Back to my fourth position. I'm also going to borrow from the first section where I played bottom, middle, top. Everything is a broken chord. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. Repeat that. Back to the fourth position. And then finish with the pinky. We're going to play it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. One more time. See if you can play it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before moving on to putting the hands together, be sure you can play each hand separately with no problems.